is there. You can see 3 is there. And 18 also there. 18, 3. So what is the answer? 6 are. 6 are. 1 are, 2 are, 3 are, 4 are, 5 are, 6 are. 6 is the answer. In the given sum, 18 is there, 3 is there, 6 are missing. So let us write 6 here. You know already this. No mouth application, reading table. Okay, if you read the table, you will get the answer. Okay, 6 are is the answer. You don't know how to find out the answer? By reading tables. Can you do divisions like that? I want to give you one more. How many participants? 141 still. Okay, let me give one more. (15 divided by 5). It is not there in the textbook, Nana. Participants, they have to come. That's why, yes, I am teaching this. Listen. Okay, which table you will read here? 15 divided by 5. 5 table, you have to read. 5 table. So 5 table till you get 15. Okay, so let us write. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Are you saying 5 table? 5 threes are 15. Stop reading. Why? Because we need 15 and we got 15. Stop. Don't say 5 fours are, 5 fives are. Okay. 5 threes are 15. So 5 table till you get 15. Understood? 5 table till you get 15. We got 3 star is the answer. 5 3s are 15. So 3 star. Okay, you understood this number? Still 147. Okay. Yesterday I gave these two homework. Textbook page number 88. Exercise 3. Okay, yesterday we have done this type. Okay. Division as, multiplication as. We are changing this multiplication into division form. Okay, for one multiplication form, we are getting two division forms. For one multiplication, see, you can see here into. Into is a symbol for multiplication. So this is multiplication form. Okay, for one multiplication form, we can write two division forms. So already we have done that. No, let us write 2 sevens are 14. Here, what is the answer? 14. So, to write divisions as, we will take the answer. Here in the multiplication form, 14 is the answer. So, we take 14. Why? Because division is inverse of multiplication. Inverse, that means we are going back. We are going in reverse to write division form. Okay, reverse. Here it is a number, ending number, last number. We are putting this last number into first in two division form. Okay, so 14 is the answer. Take 14 and let it be the first number for two division forms. Have you written that? Have you filled? Two division forms have 14 as a first number. 14 is the answer in the multiplication, given multiplication fact. We are taking answer and taking it as the first number in division. Already division symbol given in the textbook. And we need to fill two more boxes in the textbook. Just check now whatever you have done. Please check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay? Have you done the same? Have you written 14, 14? Okay? Now, 14 already we have written in two division forms. 14. So, Let us close 14. What are the two numbers left in the question? 2 and 7 left. 2 and 7 left. So let us write 2 and 7. Got it? Have you written? 14 already we have written. So close 14. You can see 2, 7. Just write in the same order. 2, 7. Okay? After writing that, just read 2 tables. 2 tables till you get 14. Read 2 tables. 2 ones are, you don't write this mark. Just reading. You read, I will write on the board. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 14. So 7s are 7. We have written already here. So this is correct. What you have written is correct. If you read table also, you are getting same. Understood? You can check. After writing, you can check, read the table and check. Okay? 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Okay? What about this? We need to fill these also, no? Okay? First 14 we have written in 2 division forms. Then we have closed this 14. 2, 7 left. In the same order, we have written 2, 7. Okay. Now, we are going to change the order of 2 and 7. Change the order 7, 2. Yeah, 2, 7, 7, 2. 7, 2. Understood? Have you done the same? Have you done the same? Very good, ma. Yes, good. You have answered what I asked before. Very good. Who is that? Ritika? Ritika Ratna. Okay, ma. Will you write this? Fifth one. If it is correct, you put tick yourself. Put yourself. Your answer is correct. Okay? Next. 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. This is, you can see here into symbol. Multiplication form. This multiplication form, we have to change it as division form. I said before, for one multiplication form, we will have 2 division forms. Okay? Let us write. Ten 8s are 80. 80 is the answer, product. Okay? This 80, we are taking this 80 and writing the first number as the first number in both division forms. Understood? Take 80 and write 80, 80 for 2 division facts as first number. Here 10 8s are 80. This is the last number, no more answer. We get answer at the last only, no? At last we get answer. So last number we are taking as first number. Okay? Divided by symbol already there in the textbook. We need to fill 2 more boxes. Do you know the answer? So 80 already we have written. So close 80. Close 80. Now what are the 2 numbers left? 10, 8. 10, 8. Write in the same order. 10, 8. 10, 8. Same order. Have you written this? Now you got 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Have you written the same? Is your answer correct? Then you can tick. If it is correct, then only tick. If you are written wrong, erase it and write correctly. See here and write correctly. Okay? One division form is over. How will you write the second? To fill these two, just 10, 8. Change order, change the places. 10, 8. Reverse. 8, 10. 10, 8. 8, 10. Got it? 10, 8. 8, 10. We are changing. See. 10, 8. 8, 10. So, 8, 10. Is your answer correct? If it is, you can tick. Very good, Dana. Good. Very good, children. Tick. All of you have done correct only now? Okay, ma. Till now, I taught page numbers. I made you do in the textbook itself. No? Textbook itself, I made you do pages, some pages. I started from 84, 85, 86, 87 and 88. I taught till here. I want to show on the screen. If you haven't done, if you did not do, take the screenshot and write afterwards. Okay? Some you may have missed the class. Did you miss the class? If anybody missed, take the screenshot and fill. Okay, can I show textbook? And notebook also I made you write tables. I am going to show all the pages. You take screenshots if you need. Okay, take screenshot. Good. Share now. Yes, ma. First, second John, Saturday. I made you write 6 table. Please take what I taught. Till now, till today, I started teaching with the table. Saturday, last, second John. I gave 6 tables in the notebook. If anybody needs the table, if you haven't written, please take the screenshot and you have to write it in the notebook. If you have already written, ignore. You need not write it again. Understood? Take the screenshot. Have you taken? Next, ma. Shall I show the next one? If you have already written, please ignore. You need not write again. Those who did not write, they have to. They have to write now. If anybody missed the class, those children, they should write. Okay? 2nd John, January 2nd, Saturday. The same day I gave 7 table also. Take the screenshot. Till today, what I have taught, I am showing a notebook and textbook as well. Please take the screenshot. Seven table. Have you taken? Okay, first day. When I start teaching now, first day, I taught us. I gave 6 and 7 tables in the notebook. Now, next Monday, I taught this page textbook, from textbook. Division chapter, I started teaching a division chapter from 4th John. Falls on Monday. Monday I taught this page in the textbook. Take the screenshot. Some fruits are there. We have to put into groups. Groups of 2, groups of 3, groups of 4 and groups of 5. If anybody did not do, please do it. Take the screenshots and do it. Okay. Have you taken screenshots? Shall I move on to next page? Yeah, next day. Tuesday I taught this. Tuesday, division as equal distribution. Okay, ma? I taught this. Here, you have to circle this. See? Parrot is holding a cord. You know? Division. Divided by is a sign of division. Please, you to circle this. This I taught on Tuesday. Last Tuesday. Okay? Next. Last Wednesday. Take a screenshot. If you haven't done, do it. Page number 86. Have you taken page number 86? Next. Shall I go? Shall I move? Okay. Thursday. I explained about the division as repeated subtraction on Thursday. And I made you do exercise 2 on Friday. I have taken 2 days. Okay, Thursday I explained about repeated subtraction and I made you do on Friday. You can see a date and day. Take the screenshot. Page number 87. Thursday and Friday. Have you taken screenshot? Next, Saturday we did not have class. Saturday due to internet problem, we did not have class Saturday. So, Monday, yesterday I taught division as inverse of multiplication. Page number 88. Page number 88. Yesterday I taught this. Okay. Yesterday I taught this and I have given 4, 5 as homework. Now I made you check. In the class, I have made you check now. 4, 5. If anybody did not write, please, you have to do the incomplete mark. Okay, have you taken screenshot? Okay, till here I taught. Now I want to give 8 table. So I am sharing the 8 table. Okay, today take the screenshot now, and when you are free, copy 8 table in a notebook and learn. Okay, during these holidays, you have to learn 6, 7, 8 tables. 6, 7, 8. Already you got 1 to 5, mean 2 to 5. In these holidays, you have to learn 6, 7, 8 tables. Already 6, 7 tables are given. Please take, today I am sharing this table of 8. Take the screenshot. In the evening, you have to sit and copy it in the notebook. Take the screenshot. You have to learn 6, 7, 8. Have you taken a screenshot? One, show the notes. All correct, Muhammad. Very good. Yesterday you missed the class. Yasin. You have to attend the class every day, ma. Yeah, we will tell you about holiday. Shall I stop sharing? Yasin, I taught this yesterday. Textbook page number 88 and exercise 3. I gave 4, 5 some homework. I explained. And many of you have done correct answers. I told you to put tick. Okay? I taught this no, Yasin. Textbook page number 88. I shared screenshot. You write the incomplete. Okay? Next. I want to ask some questions, ma. Put the textbook down. And listen to me. I'll ask you questions. You have to answer. Okay. In the exam, you are getting questions as multiple choice questions, no? As fill in the blanks, no? So, I'll give you some. You do it. You type the answer. Okay? Tell me the answer. 14 divided by 2 is equal to what? Which table you are going to read? This table, 2 table. Okay. Till you get 14. 2 table till you get 14. Okay. So, type the answers. In 2 table, where do you get 14? Very good. 7 sir, Pushkal Sai, good. Very good. 2 7 are 18. Very good. Very good. So let me write 7. And let us check once whether it is right or not. Okay. 2 table. till you get 14. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. Very good. Your answer is correct. 7. 2 sevens are 14. Sevens are correct. Shall I give one more? Will you write? Will you tell me? Okay. Divided by 4. Read 4 table till you get 16. Okay. Then type the answer. Start reading 4 table. You need not read full table, 4 table. Once you get 16, stop there. You need not read the whole table. Very good. Many of you answer very good. Okay. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. Correct, ma? Okay. You're asking about holidays. Okay. From tomorrow, we have Pongal holidays. Okay. Till 17th. 17th January. 18th January, the school reopens. 18th January. It falls on Monday. Okay. School reopens on 18th January. Monday. Okay, ma. Enjoy holidays and don't forget to learn tables. 6, 7, 8 tables. These tables you have to learn. Okay, already you got 5, no? 6, 7, 8 also learn. We have to do division sums. Learn. Now you have Hindi class, ma. Get ready with your Hindi book.